All right, it's lunchtime, and we're gonna be doing some pizzas. Forgive me if I look a little red here. I just finished working out, so. But yeah, let's get on these pizzas. It's smelling good. That nice yeasty aroma is just kind of wafting about. I think this dough, hopefully, is ready to go. Tip number 1, make sure your dough has been sitting out long enough to come to full room temperature and have a nice rise. That way it'll be able to stretch very easily and it'll get you a really beautiful crust. Tip number 2, use what you have. I've got a little bit of fresh mozzarella, I've got some ricotta, and I've got some Swiss cheese. So I'm just going to use what I have, and I think we'll still have some great pizza.
Scoopia! A scoopia! Scoopia!
Are you scooping the pizza? Tip number 3, try to minimize the amount of flour you put on the peel so you don't end up burning your bottom with a bunch of dry flour that got stuck on your pizza dough. How's the pizza, Carolyn?
Good.